What's up, Sunny fam? Sunny Trainer Dom here, and welcome to your 15-minute holiday this or that elliptical workout. Team, I am so happy you're here. I hope that you are either getting ready for or enjoying your holiday season. Let's have some fun. Are you ready to do this? Let's do it. All right, go ahead and start to move those legs. Perfect, roll those shoulders back. This is a pretty mild cadence today, so no need to worry about a pre-warm-up or anything like that. We're just gonna cruise through. Whether this is your very first time on your elliptical machine or you've been on this 100 times with me, welcome to this elliptical workout. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go down memory lane. We're gonna do some this or that every minute on the minute. Go ahead and roll those shoulders back. Make sure that those toes and knees are facing towards your elliptical machine or towards the camera if I'm right in front of you. Light grip on those handlebars. Those elbows and those wrists should be nice and aligned, rolling those shoulders back. All right, team, also, let's make sure that those heels are always firmly placed right into those pedals. We're gonna go right into our very first this or that. We're gonna dive right in, team. We're gonna talk about the best holiday music. Now, are you ready? Jingle Bells or Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. Give me your best one. This is a this or that. Don't even think about it. We're just meant to have fun here. This or that, Jingle Bells or Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. Now these are both iconic classics, so good luck. Go ahead and shout out the very first one that comes to mind. This or that, no even reasoning for it. If Mariah Carey is your jam, take it. If Jingle Bells, that classic is your epic move, take that one. All right, team, go ahead and start to move those legs. Big inhales, big exhales. We're gonna get right into our next one. So we already talked music a little bit. Now we're gonna talk Christmas trees. Team, real tree or fake tree. Now, with a fake tree, you can always add in those little scents that make it smell like a real tree, and they last a lot longer. You can pay that one price and have it for years to come. Or are you just like, you need that iconic, epic, real tree, love the needles falling, can't wait to sweep them, vacuum them, and you love that real epic tree vibe? I need to know, real tree or fake tree? All right, team. This is pretty fun so far, right? If you want to add a quick point to resistance, you're more than welcome to add that on. I'm just going to keep my cadence nice and slow. If you want to pick up the pace on each one of these questions, please also feel free to make this workout your own. All right, my loves, so we've already decided what is the best Christmas song of all time, only between those two songs. And also, we've gone through the epic battle of real tree or fake tree. Now, I've got another one for you. We're gonna talk holiday warmth. Like, I'm talking at home, enjoying either the snow or just the holiday season, comfy in your PJs, watching movies with, of course, that fireplace lit up. Now, I need to know, fireplace vibes here. Are we talking real wood burning or are we liking the gas vibe? Do you like the gas fireplace or that real wood? Now these gas ones can look really beautiful. They can even still have that flame. Or do you need that real crunch, that real wood burning sound and smell in your home? I do need to know. All right, there's no wrong answer for that because warmth is warmth, yeah? I feel like you can even get those gas lens now that make that sound of the crackling, or those candles that make the sound. Epic. Love that. All right, team, so we're definitely staying warm in the holiday season with our fireplace on, of course. Are we doing gas or are we doing real wood? Need to know that. Now, since you're now enjoying your either real tree or fake tree, you've got your favorite song already played, you've already put up that tree, you've already decided to put the fireplace on, our next this or that is, what movie do we have on the TV? Maybe it's the first movie that you pick for the season. Are you ready? Here's your two options. Team, are we going with a classic Macaulay Culkin, Home Alone? I'm talking number one, not even the second one, that first one, that epic part where the whole family leaves him all the way at home. He goes through all that crazy stuff with those robbers and it's just nonstop epic fun. Or are you an elf kind of person. We all love some Will Ferrell, some good yellow tights with that elf outfit. Is that your jam? Straight comedy, either one of the spectrums, right? Are you a Home Alone all the way or an Elf fan? Only one, give me that, this or that. Elf or Home Alone. All right, team, now that we're watching our epic holiday movie, choosing between Elf or Home Alone, I'm definitely watching Home Alone, and we're looking at that real or fake tree. I'm down for the fake tree. What is on top of that tree? Are we doing star topper this year, or are we doing an angel? Maybe this, I know several people where this is like the epic battle. This is like the cause of almost separation. A star or an angel on top of your tree. Do you have one passed down from generations? Are you just like needing one or the other? I feel like we're always on the other, like one of the side of the spectrum. Are we doing an angel topper or a star topper on that beautiful fake tree? All right, team. So now that you've got your tree, your movies, you picked your perfect song, you've got that beautiful topper. I can't really say because I'm indifferent. I like both. I'll probably rock an angel. I feel like an angel is probably what I'll rock this year. But if you love the star, I love the star too. And don't forget to send them in. I want to see them. Team, now we're watching our movie again. We're enjoying our beautiful tree. We've got that topper that's glowing. Are you wearing matching PJs? Or are we doing ugly Christmas sweaters? I need to know. Are we doing a whole family matching set, like dogs are in on this too? We're all wearing the same exact PJs for Christmas the whole entire season long? Or are we rocking our favorite ugly holiday Christmas sweaters? I need to know, I need to know. Both seem super comfortable, and you can wear those sweaters out. You can even wear your Christmas PJs out. I don't even think that's frowned upon. Wear your Christmas PJs out. All right, team, now that you've decided between your PJs, your sweaters, your tree, your music, your movies, we're gonna continue on. We're going right into our next one. While we're staring at that beautiful tree, are we doing gift bags this year? All gift bags. I'm talking you just throw it in the bag, you just add a little tissue paper and a little note like, love Santa, we are golden. Or are you a wrapping paper person? I love a good wrapping paper. I love to put a Christmas movie on with the tree done, take my time, add some pretty bows, definitely do the love from Santa thing and rock it. But are we talking gift wrap, wrapping paper, spending hours picking it out, or grabbing a bag and tossing it in? Actually, I do feel like there's an art to also gift bags. I know that that takes a long time too. You gotta find the perfect one for the perfect person. Maybe you're someone that likes to pick a different color for every bag. Maybe you do the whole Christmas colors, some red and some green in there. I wanna know, are we doing gift bags or are we feeling that wrapping paper? All right, team, now that you've already thought about wrapping all your gifts, we're gonna talk about when is the best time to celebrate, or maybe it's just a day you prefer. Are you a Christmas Eve, like whole family gets together, Christmas Eve, maybe you even open one gift, or maybe you open all of them Christmas Eve, or a Christmas Day, waking up early, running underneath the tree, and seeing what Santa brought you? I need to know. Growing up, I did celebrate both ways with my mom's entire side of the family. We would get to open one Christmas gift when we got home after opening Christmas gifts with our extended family. And then Christmas Day was like it though. We wake up, see what Santa got us. Super fun. Are you Christmas Eve or are you Christmas Day? And how are we celebrating that? All right, team, now we've wrapped some presents, we've talked about our trees, we picked the perfect topper, and even the best movie. Now, let's move on. Are you the kind of person that loves a Secret Santa or a white elephant gift? Maybe you're going to your holiday parties, or maybe you're celebrating in the office this year, or maybe your family is doing it this way. Now, Secret Santa or white elephant? If you're not familiar, here's the difference. A Secret Santa is where you maybe pick a name out of the hat and you get specific gifts tailored towards a special person. And that way you can get more intimate, you can really get something you know they're gonna like and keep surprising them, but they don't know who it's from. or a white elephant gift. White elephant gift, usually pick something silly. Usually there's a budget and it's something random and you wrap it, you play a game and you never know what you're gonna get. Now that's kind of fun. I enjoy doing that at parties because you never know what random thing you're gonna get and maybe you can even re-gift it. So are you a Secret Santa or a white elephant gift person? All right, team, we're just gonna crank them out. We're gonna continue to go. I wanna give you this one right here. Are you willing, would you rather, or this or that, decorate 1,000 Christmas cookies? Now maybe you can crank them out and get them like 100 in at a time. I don't know, maybe you're like an expert at decorating them, or maybe decorating for you means just throwing sprinkles on there when it's warm. Would you rather decorate 1,000 Christmas cookies or 100 Christmas trees? Now, I don't know if these are tiny Christmas trees that hold in your hand or if they're big Christmas trees. I don't know. But would you rather decorate 100 Christmas trees or 1,000 Christmas cookies while playing your favorite holiday song? All I Want for Christmas Is You. All right, team. So that's a good one. You can really think about that. Maybe you love to decorate cookies. I'm not even asking if you want to bake them. I'm just saying, do you want to decorate them? All right, decorate your 1,000 cookies or your 100 Christmas trees. All right, team. It's cold outside. We're going right into our winter fun. Are we building a snowman this year or snow angels? Maybe you're doing both, but in this or that, which one do you prefer? Building a snowman, picking out that perfect hat, those perfect eyes, that carrot obviously for the nose. Maybe you're putting on your old favorite Christmas scarf on that snowman this year. Or are you out in the thick of it building those beautiful snow angels? I need to know. And what are you wearing when you're building these snow angels? Because I feel like you have to really bundle up, right? Because you're getting your whole body in there. Maybe if you're here like me in California, maybe you're doing sand angels this year. I don't know. But I do want to know, team, do you prefer snow angels or building a snowman? This could be a little snowman. It could be a giant snowman. Doesn't matter. It's totally up to you. Are we feeling that vibe of the snowman or the snow angel? All right, team. We're going back to thinking about doing some good deeds here. Remember when we decorated those thousands of cookies or the hundreds of trees? Here's another one for you. Would you rather set up Christmas lights on all of your neighbors' houses? I don't know if you have a big neighborhood. I don't know if you have a small neighborhood. It doesn't matter. But would you rather put the Christmas lights on all the houses or wrap gifts for your entire extended family? Maybe you're like, easy, I don't have any neighbors. So perfect. Maybe you love to wrap gifts. I love to wrap gifts. So I'm like, bring it on. Drop all the gifts off. Give me a few days. I'll put some good Christmas movies on and I will rock it for you. I definitely love to wrap gifts. So are you someone that would rather hang Christmas lights or wrap gifts for your whole entire extended family? Maybe you got a huge family. You really gotta think about that one. Maybe you have a small neighborhood, maybe you have a big neighborhood, maybe you have a small extended family or big. Would you rather hang those lights or wrap those gifts? And you gotta wrap them good. These ones you don't just toss in the bags. These ones you wrap. All right, team, so we've talked about our trees, our favorite movies, what we're wearing while we have the fireplace on, what is outside, did we just build snowmen or snow angels? We're gonna continue on. Did you just decorate a bunch of cookies or trees? Did you put lights up or wrap gifts? Whatever you did, we are moving on back into the decision, the ultimate holiday discussion. Now, are we doing holiday movies like we're in on the Hallmark cheesy Christmas movies, like I'm in it. I'm all for it, 1000%, right? Same storyline, different characters, a little bit of a different scene, every single movie, same. Love it, we'll watch every single one of them a million times. Or are you chilling fireside watching those football games? Maybe football's not your jam. I know there's a lot of other sports on it this season. Are you picking those games? I need to know. Are you watching holiday movies all day or are we watching those sports on TV? Which one are we picking, team? All right, now that you've decided, I like to watch a little bit of both. I do like a little bit of football, I will say. I feel like I have to say that. I will watch a little football. All right, team. Now, would you rather, or this or that, are we meeting Santa Claus this year or the Grinch? Are we meeting Santa or the Grinch? Who are we getting a picture with? What are we asking them for? Are we sitting on Santa's lap? Maybe not. Maybe we've done that. Maybe we're a little too old for that. Never too old for that. You can always sit on Santa's lap. It's magical. It's Christmas time. Or are we hanging out with the Grinch and letting him know that we do not want him to steal our Christmas tree this year? Are we meeting Santa or are we meeting the Grinch? You get to take pictures with them, post them on your Instagram. Let me know, Santa or the Grinch this year. And what would you wear? Well, I don't know what I would wear to meet the Grinch. I'd probably wear this to meet Santa. All right, team, our last one for our final minute together. We're gonna talk the biggest thing we need to talk about on the holiday season. You know what I'm talking about. We are talking shopping. Are we getting up right off the dinner table after Thanksgiving for our Black Friday deals? Are we running? Are we going crazy? Are we standing in those lines? Are we making the deals, making the sales, bartering, fighting over things? Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not that bad anymore. Or are we hanging out at home, chilling with our hot chocolate and waiting till Cyber Monday to hit those deals? What are we doing, team, this year? Are we in the chaos, in the Christmas spirit, running around like crazy for Black Friday? Or are we hanging out, enjoying the holiday season and ordering online? Now, team, go ahead and slow those legs. Whatever you've decided, hopefully you had a really good time with our this or that. I love doing these with you. Team, may you enjoy your holiday season. Please go ahead, stretch your legs out, grab some water, and we'll see you at your next workout. Happy holidays.